Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to level up fast in Yakuza like a dragon. To begin, head straight to the Sotenbori Battle Arena. This multi-floor challenge is hands down the most efficient way to gain both character and job experience points. You'll face increasingly difficult enemies across 30 floors, earning massive experience with each victory. Repeat this process as many times as needed, especially in later chapters, to see your levels skyrocket quickly and efficiently. Next, keep an eye out for special enemies called vagabonds. These metallic foes, particularly the invested vagabonds found in later dungeons, grant an enormous amount of experience points upon defeat. They are a fantastic way to get a quick boost. Remember, job experience is just as crucial as character experience. Continuously switch and level up different jobs to unlock a wide array of powerful skills and stat bonuses for your entire party. To further optimize your leveling, always utilize food buffs. Many restaurants offer meals that provide temporary boosts to your experience point gain for a set number of battles. Additionally, certain accessories and pieces of equipment can also grant an experience point bonus. Stacking these effects, such as a food buff with an experience-boosting accessory, will dramatically accelerate your progress, making every battle more rewarding. Finally, don't overlook the part-time hero quests. These side activities offer consistent experience and valuable rewards, contributing steadily to your overall progression. Make it a habit to engage in every enemy encounter you find. Every battle adds to your experience pool. And remember, keeping your gear upgraded is essential. Stronger weapons and armor mean faster, easier victories, allowing you to grind more efficiently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.